Orlando City Stadium in the city beautiful of Orlando, ready to rock. It's Orlando City versus Real Salt Lake. The Wall ready for this East vs. West matchup, a matchup that Orlando City has never lost when they played RSL. Plays it through, question back, and sliding and missing was top Dwyer. Rylock, and now it's Baird getting it behind. He'll chip the goalkeeper, and RSL has struck first in the 13th minute. Setting for second half action, RSL in Orlando City. Lions will attack left to right, and game is resumed in Orlando. Beckerman, Savarino, and tipped over the bar. That's to his right foot, he'll shoot again, carried away by Bendick. There's Joao Plata, now it's set to the foot of Baird, saved Bendick! Keeps the game level, he is pumped! Great defensive work, not out of the woods yet, Dwyer! Goal! Orlando City! Corner kick. Sane makes it two! The Lions have taken the lead in 2 minutes. His first goal in purple. Dwyer on his left foot. Carried away. Question! It is 3-1. It's Yotun! Yoshi Yotun's third goal of the season. 3 goals to 1 against RSL. That's a franchise record 6-match win streak.